MCCB, Changeover Switch, RCCB, Isolator, 2-pin multi-holder, doorbell, ceiling fan, ELCB, connector, 2-pin adapter, power plug, ceiling rose, round cover sheet, fan dummy sheet, concealed metal box, lighting arrestor, cable tie, surface box, deep box, 1-way, 2-way, 3-way and 4-way, conduit junction box, 1-way, 2-way, 3-way and 4-way, conduit T, casing T, elbow, conduit saddle, GIE clamp, conduit coupler, casing capping coupler, conduit bend, internal bend, external bend, tube light choke, waterproof junction box, PVC ceiling light box, spring wire, table lamp, energy meter, earthing powder, exhaust fan, screw holder, PVC clamp, end cap, focus light. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share.